in here. Mine that I use consists of lard, coconut oil, olive oil, distilled water, and lye. Lye is tricky. You need to have a shirt so you don't burn your hands. You should have gloves. I've burned them so many times they're fine. They're all burned up. And you need to have safety glasses. This is no joke for this stuff. If you're a little bit younger, maybe have a parent just help you with this process here. There is a woman by the name of Ann Watson. I've read a lot of books on how to process and do. She has it the simplest, she's a chemist. She has it the simplest way on how to do it. When they say 8.4 ounces of lard, we put 8.4 ounces of lard. 9.8 ounces of coconut oil right in there. And we tear it out, which means you add what you need in there, hit tear, and we do it all over again. So we want them right exact. And then the olive oil is another 9.8. So we get these all in here. Olive oil is a liquid, so that's what you're looking at. Here is your liquid. Lard, which we render at home. Who knows what lard is? What's lard? Anybody know? Lard is the fat that comes from a pig. Your fats you want in between 98 degrees and 120. So let's go do that. I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. Again, it's so important to do this step. Water in your big container, lye in your little container, pour your lye into your water. And I'm going to have you guys stay back there because lye has fumes and it also gets into your lungs. Sometimes I'll make 3 batches at a time. I need to have a fan running and my window's open, or you do it outside. It's 8 ounces. And I've done this 100 times. You'd think I just know this, but I don't. It is extremely hot. I had cold water here. Lye is a chemical, and just by me mixing that lye, this is 140 degrees. And what do we have to cool it down to? Does anybody remember? We want this to be in between 90 and 120, and we have to make this about the same temperature, 90 to 120. So now we have to cool it down. Know your oils that you're using. Know kind of the cost that goes into it, which is hard. If you make soap and you want them to be judged, either open show or 4-H, you want to not, just like a cake or cupcakes, you don't want air bubbles. So when you put the batter in, or what I call batter, you always want to shake it down. That is one thing that the judge looks for. This one has no air bubbles. So one essential oil I'd stay away from is peppermint. Peppermint is harsh for the eyes and other, face and other areas. I would stay away from your peppermints. Mint is a poor choice as well. It's friends of the peppermint. Tangerine is a nice blend. Lavender, as we said. Grapefruit is fun. Less harsher, the better for anyone, really. I put a lot in this batch. I put about 12, as you guys, drops of each. That's about it. No less, no more, because you want that to smell, especially if you're getting it judged. If you share that you put grapefruit in, and he or she, the judge, cannot smell it, you'd want to make note of that. You can create a wrapper. Neat ideas on Pinterest. You could even do little cutouts of like a flower or dinosaur or whatever, and put that on there just to add a little flair. And when you show, it's hot. So these sweat. Actually, your melted pores, your glycerins, because it's consisted of a glycerin in there, that sweats more. So you might want to consider putting a, what we did in the past is, Cashwise has paper bags, cut out a neat little wrapper, just so you can hold it, then you won't have fingerprints on it. And then you could put your variety, just like if you were selling soap, it just looks kind of fancy and it tells the judges what's in your soap. So then we would put what's in it.